Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, how to express x plus y is equal to 2 in figure?
X plus Y is equal to
2.
2 in figure.
Yes, sir. That
Okay.
like table, sir.
Okay. I'll do that for you. Are you observing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Toran were absent for few days. Why? You were.
Yes,
You were
sir.
absent.
Yesterday there was no Wi-Fi in here.
Okay. The day before, on Friday, you were present.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who are joining just now? Do your attendance in chat. Did you observe the question on your screen?
Yes, sir.
This is the question. Who asked this one? Express x plus y is equal to 2 in figure. At first, from this equation, we have to tabulate the values of x and y. At least we have to tabulate 3 values of x and y. Okay, look at this one. Here we have to put x and here y. Now put any value of x here. Value. For example, 0. If x is equal to 0, what we will get for y? X equal to 0 राख्दा y को value कति आउला त?
2.
That will be 2. If y is equal to 0, y को ठाउँमा 0 राख्यो, x is equal to 2. Similarly, if x is equal to 1,
Y is equals to 1.
y is equal to 1.
1.
While taking x to left side, right side तिर x ले जाँदा -1 हुन्छ, 2 - 1, it will be 1 only. So this is the table which we can obtain from the given equation. This x plus y is equal to 2 is one equation, and this table we obtained from this equation. Two equation bata your table आयो. Now next thing is we have to plot this in graph. Okay, so let me open this GeoGebra. What point we have to put? That you must remember. Are you observing this new screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me put it in half and GeoGebra at half. Okay, so here I am putting the values. This first point is 0, 2. 0, 2. Value of x is 0. Value of y is 2. That we have to put here. So by using comma, first point is 0, 2. So you got the point here. यहाँ एउटा point देखियो कि देखिएन?
Yes, sir.
And next point is 2, 0. 2, 0. This is the another point. हामीले चाहिँ यो ग्राफ बनाउँदाखेरि आफूले काउन्ट गरेर राख्नुपर्ने हो. 0, 2 भनेको from 0 to 2, from 2 to 0. 2 आयो, 0 युनिट माथि गयो भनेको we don't move anywhere. माथि पनि गएनौ, तल पनि गएनौ, 2, 0. And what is the third point? Third point 1, 1. We have to put that also. 1, 1. यहाँनिर त्यो point आउने हो. 1, 1. This is the third point. Let me hide the names. Okay, these are 3 points. First point is 0, 2. Second 2, 0. Third 1, 1. Now we have to join these. अब inner line join गर्नु पर्ने हो. We have to draw the line segment passing through these points. यो pointहरु भएर pass हुने line draw गर्नु पर्ने हो. And you can see here automatically figure मा, sorry, you can see it here. यहाँनिर आफै देखिएको छ नि, x plus y is equal to 2. यो line भनेकै x plus y is equal to 2. Did you understand?
No, sir.
Not understand?
No, sir.
From where?
Sir, graph.
ग्राफ बुझिए ना.
No, sir.
Okay, let me draw it manually. Let me delete these again. सब पे पॉइंटहरु डिलीट भयो. ओके, लेट मी टेक point tool here. अब यो point tool लिएर के गर्दै छौ भने what is the first point 0,2 0,2. look at first one here 0,2 in table. हामीले एकछिन अगाडि बनाएको टेबललाई हेर त. there is 0,2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, त्यही हामीले +4 -2 राखेको भए पनि त्यही राख्ने ग्राफमा.
ग्राफमा हामीले यहाँ टेबल बनाउँदा जे राखेका छौं त्यही भ्यालुहरु पुट गर्नुपर्ने हो.
तर अनि टेबलमा जे भ्यालु पनि राख्दा हुन्छ त्यो y x + y2 हुनुपर्छ.
It's your choice. X plus y equal to 2 हुने गरी जुनसुकै भ्यालु राखे पनि हुन्छ. फर एक्जाम्पल you can put here -2. ओके, -2. अब यहाँ x को भ्यालु -2 राखेपछि -2 यता आएर के हुन्छ? what it will be? +2 and it will be 4. यताबाट -2 यता आयो भने +2 हुन्छ, त्यो भयो 4. ओके, -2, 4. So let us plot this point. -2 भनेको कति हो? 2 युनिट. 2 युनिट लेफ्ट तिर मुभ गर्नु पर्यो. एन्ड आफ्टर दैट 4 युनिट अप. 1 2 3 4. Draw the point -2, 4. This point is clear? Toran?
Yes, sir.
Next point is 2, 0. Let us change this point also as your choice. So what you want to put here in place of x?
4.
In place of x, you want to put
-4.
okay. Let us check. But we have to think about the our graph. ग्राफ में कतिसम्म ड्रा गर्न सकिन्छ? ग्राफ कतिमा 5 6 अप नियर अबाउट 10 15 त्यहाँसम्म ड्रा गर्न पोसिबल हुन्छ हाम्रो ग्राफ कपी जुन हुन्छ त्यसमा. सो यू हैव टु थिंक अकॉर्डिंग टु दैट. अब x को भ्यालु -4 राखेपछि -4 यता आएर के हुन्छ?
+6
4 and it will be value of y will be 6. So -4, 6 means 1 2 3 4. 4 unit left side and move 6 unit up. +6 भनेको 6 unit माथि जानु पर्यो. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the next point. -4, 6. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
And third point, let us put same 1 1. 1 unit right, 1 unit up. This is 1, 1. It is clear? हामीले
Yes, sir.
point
sir.
yes please.
यहाँ one table में 1.
1 किन राख्यौ?
Yes, sir.
ग्राफ ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने छ, फिगर ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने छ भने कुनै भ्यालु त राख्नै पर्ने हो नि. Put any other value if you don't want to put 1. 1 राख्नु छैन भने अर्को भ्यालु राख 2.
जति राख्दा पनि हुन्छ सर.
It's your choice, but it must come inside the graph. ग्राफ में पुग्ने गरी हुनु पर्यो. 10 15 20 लियो भने ग्राफ में अटाउँदैन. सानो सानो भ्यालु 2 3 4 5 6 -2 -3 -4 यो सानो भ्यालु जसले भ्यालु निकाल्न पोसिबल छ त्यहाँसम्म लिनु पर्ने. जस्तो यहाँनिर 2 राख्यौ भने अब कति आउला त? x को भ्यालु 2 राख्यौ हामीले.
4.
4 आउँछ त. 2 उता गएर के हुन्छ?
-2.
-2
-2.
2 -2
1. 0.
2
0.
Who is this person? 2 -2 1. That will equal to 0. 0 भयो. So in place of this c, let us put that point 2, 0. 2, 0 कहाँ पर्छ त? 2 युनिट राइट साइड तिर आउनु पर्यो. 0 भएपछि कहीँ तल या माथि मुभ गर्नु भएन. दिस इज द point 2, 0. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now join these points. Scale लिएर यो पोइन्टहरुलाई जोइन गर्ने हो. Join points A, B or C. You can join any point. कुनै दुईटा पोइन्टलाई जोइन गर्दा स्केल राखेर आइहाल्छ लाइन. तर थर्ड पोइन्ट हामीले किन लिएको, दुईटा पोइन्ट लिए पनि हुन्थ्यो, दुईटा पोइन्टलाई जोइन गर्ने बित्तिकै लाइन आउँछ भने त तेस्रो पोइन्ट लिइराख्नु जरुरी थिएन नि, इजन्ट इट? तेस्रो पोइन्ट हामीले किन लियौं होला त? यो दुईटा पोइन्ट बी र सी लिए पनि हुन्थ्यो, ए र बी लिए पनि हुन्थ्यो, स्केलले ड्र गरेपछि यही लाइन आउने हो, बट वी हैव टेकन थर्ड पोइन्ट अल्सो. Does anyone know the reason? Yes, please. Can anyone
sir.
say? Okay. So its reason is we have to check our drawing is right or not. चेक गर्नको लागि तेस्रो पोइन्ट लिएको, हामीले ड्र गरेको लाइन तेस्रो पोइन्ट भएर पास भयो. फर एक्जाम्पल, I erase the line here. Okay, sorry, यो लाइन इरेज गरिदिएँ मैले. And now I am going to draw line again. Through A and C. A र C भएर एउटा लाइन बनायो. This line is passing through B also or not? यो लाइन A र C भएर जाने लाइन B भएर पास भयो कि भएन?
Yes, sir.
It is passing through B also. Then we did the right construction. हामीले ड्राइङ गरेको राइट छ. अदरवाइज जस्तो फर एक्जाम्पल B यहाँ आयो, A र C जोड्दा यो लाइन माथि भएर गयो, B पोइन्ट तल छ. दैट मीन्स either we did mistake here in table or we did mistake in construction. टेबल तीनटै पोइन्टहरु एउटै लाइनमा परेनन् भने टेबल बनाएको रङ छ भन्ने भयो. ओके, सो थर्ड पोइन्ट इज टेकन फर चेकिङ आवर कन्स्ट्रक्सन. हामीले गरेको यो क्याल्कुलेसनबाट कन्स्ट्रक्सन राइट भयो कि भएन या क्याल्कुलेसन राइट छ कि छैन भन्नको लागि थर्ड पोइन्ट लिनु जरुरी छ. अदरवाइज दिस थर्ड पोइन्ट इज नट नेसेसरी. दुईटा पोइन्ट लिए पनि फिगर बनिहाल्छ. हामीले रङ गर्यौं कि राइट गर्यौं तिमीले एक्जाममा क्वेशन सल्भ गर्दाखेरि आफै चेक हुन्छ. थर्ड पोइन्ट भएर लाइन पास भयो, दैट मीन्स यु डिड द राइट. इफ लाइन इज नट पासिङ थ्रू थर्ड पोइन्ट, दैट मीन्स यु डिड द मिस्टेक देयर.
Yes, sir.
यो कस्तो रिलेसनमा पर्छ, यो कुन रिलेसनमा पर्छ यो क्वेशन?
This is from equations जुन ग्राफिकल मेथडबाट सल्भ गर्ने क्वेशन्सहरु छ नि त्यहाँ.
Yes, sir.
In the chapter of equation, this is the question from this page 193.
Equation equality.
यहाँ भएको क्वेशन हो है. I don't have English version. यस्तो यो लाइनहरु यहाँ जुन ड्रा गरेको छ यो च्याप्टरको हो है. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
यो इक्वेशन्सलाई सल्भ गर भनेको छ. हामीले यो एउटा क्वेशन मात्रै गर्यौं. We did this one only. X plus y is equal to 2. We represented this in graph. X plus y is equal to 2. Do anyone have any other confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, then we were in chapter of construction. We did some questions up to 10 number. This question was your homework. Any of you have completed or it is remaining to do? Please tell it to me. If don't know, I will do. If done, I will move to next question.
Not done, sir.
Just everyone is sitting inside the home and just passing the whole day. Are you doing any homework? I have given a single question to you. When you are in physical classes, you are giving whole exercise, sometimes 5 questions, 4 questions, 6 questions. But nowadays we have problem in doing a single question also. So at first look at its rough figure. If not done, there is a parallelogram PQRS. Let this is the parallelogram. Okay. Just it is our rough figure. Parallelogram PQRS, in which QR is 4 centimeter. Let me give the name. Q, this is point R, and this is point S. QR is 4 centimeter. This is given 4 centimeter. Next one, diagonal QS is 5 centimeter. Let me draw diagonal QS. This is 5 centimeter. Okay, and angle SQR. This angle is given to us. यहाँनिर को यो एंगल दिएको छ भने हामीले यसरी बनाएर भएन, QR लाई बेस लिनु पर्यो. ओके, this angle is given to us and it is 30 degree. यो 30 degree भनेर क्वेशन में दिएको छ. So we have to take this QR as base. Okay, let me change the name. Name change कर दूं यहाँ. And PQRS with this point VP. यताबाट सुरु भयो भन्ने मानौ. Parallelogram starts from here now. PQRS and QS यो कतापट्टि हुने भयो त? This one would start from here. यता हुने भयो यो. And 4 centimeter. QR is 4 centimeter. QS is 5 centimeter. This angle is 30 degree. यहाँ को angle 30 degree भयो. It is 30 degree. This one. यहाँ को angle. This is 30 degree. So we have to draw according to this. अहिले बनाएको जुन यो figure छ. QR 4 centimeter, angle SQR 30 degree, and QS is 5 centimeter. By using these things, we have to draw parallelogram. This rough figure is clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Let me go to construction tools. Length of line segment QR is 4 centimeter, which is given to us. So it is 4 centimeter. What is the name of this line segment? Check question again. QR is 4 centimeter, QS is 5 centimeter, and SQR is 30 degree. QR is 4 centimeter, so this is QR. Point Q, and next point here is R. It is 4 centimeter. Angle SQR is 30 degree. So for that, take your compass and draw angle of 30 degree. All of you know how to draw 30 degree? No or not?
Yes, sir. No.
Yes,
For
sir.
30 degree, at first we have to draw angle of 60 degree, and after drawing angle of 60 degree, then we will draw bisector of the 60 degree. यो 60 degree को bisector हामी यतापट्टि draw गर्छौं. 60 र 0 को bisector. So put your compass at 60 now. 0 बाट arc draw गरिसकेपछि 60 बाट arc draw गर. This gives us angle of
30 degree.
40 degree. This is angle of 30 degree. And what is the length of QS?
5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
That is 5 centimeters. So now take your compass as well as scale and get the length of 5 centimeter in your compass. Compass में 5 centimeter को length measure गर्नु पर्यो यसरी. And fix the compass. यसरी 5 centimeter लिएर compass लाई fix गर and cut it here to get 5 centimeter. यसमा जुन भर्खरै draw गरेको line थियो, in that line we have taken arc of 5 centimeter. Just which we draw now is 5 centimeter. Next one, join R and Q S. This point is S. माथिपट्टि बनेको point भयो S, because QS is 5 centimeter. That is clearly given in question. Okay. Join RS also. and we know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal means side opposite to QR is 4 centimeter and side opposite to RS is equal to RS. RS जति छ त्यति length Q बाट माथि काट्नु पर्यो and QR is equal to 4 centimeter means SP is also 4 centimeter. So take your compass and get the measurement of 4 centimeter in it and cut it to left side from S. S point बाट 4 centimeter left तिर काट्नु पर्यो here to this side. This is the arc of 4 centimeter from S. Similarly, take your compass, put at R and get the measurement equal to RS. RS सँग equal हुने गरी arc ल्यो and cut it from the Q. Q बाट माथि काट्नु पर्यो. Because side opposite to RS is equal to RS. RS को लेन्थ जति छ त्यति नै RS को opposite side को लेन्थ पनि हुन्छ. And join these now. Join this point as well as this one by using your scale. And what is the name of this last point? Name of this
P.
last point is P. And finally, a parallelogram PQRS in which QR is 4 centimeter, QS 5 centimeter, and angle SQR is 30 degree. It is constructed. Okay, this one is the question number 11's solution. And what do we have to write at last? Yes, please. Therefore, what is constructed?
Parallelogram.
PQRS is constructed. This is our final answer. And at last, either you may write answer or you may do hashtag here.
Sir, hashtag के show गर्छ त्यहाँ?
यसमा हाम्रो फाइनल यो सोलुसन सकियो भन्ने रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्ने हो. This is the end of solution. So there are 3 processes which we can do here. Either you can write answer A and S. Okay. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
एउटा A and S
Yes, sir.
answer लेख्न सक्छौं. दोस्रो hashtag and third one is double line here. यसरी double line draw गरेर छोड्दिए पनि हुन्छ. This also means solution is ended. Solution end भयो भन्ने रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्ने मात्रै हो.
Yes, sir.
So don't do any other thing there at last. Either you have to write answer or the double line or hashtag. This तीनटा मध्ये कुनै एउटा process at last at the end of our solution. So if there is no confusion, let me move to next question. Look at question number 12 and last question for chapter of construction. If any other type of questions you get while solving the questions of construction, you may ask me. I will solve that question for you. Okay. Construct a regular pentagon inside the circle of diameter 5 centimeter. While looking at question, it is simple, but it is a bit difficult than other questions. Other question भन्दा अलि फरक छ है. So to understand it, please be attentive. Completely look at each and every steps carefully. Question number 12. It is clearly said that we have to construct a pentagon inside one circle whose diameter is 5 centimeter. So take a line segment whose length is 5 centimeter, and now take compass. What is the radius of it? If diameter is 5, यसको radius कति होला त?
2.5.
2.5. Either you can take center at 2.5 or another line is needed to us. यसको perpendicular bisector हामीलाई चाहिने नै हो पछि यो construction मा. So we can get the perpendicular bisector here, which gives us the midpoint of this line segment. यसको midpoint हामीलाई perpendicular bisector ले दिइहाल्छ. Okay, so cut the arcs which is more than half of this line segment. लगभग यो लाइन को हाफ भन्दा बढी हुने गरी आर्क लिएर तल र माथि काट्यो भने यसको परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर आउँछ. यसमा के गरे हामीले? We have taken arc in compass which is more than half of length of this line segment from both ends of the line segment whose length is 5 cm. Now join this line vertically. यसलाई हामीले perpendicular line लाई dotted बनाए पनि हुन्छ, solid बनाए पनि हुन्छ. That's our choice. Let me draw dotted line here. Okay, now from this midpoint, this is the midpoint, take arc equal to half of it. That means we have to take radius of 2.5 cm to draw the circle of radius, sorry, diameter 5 cm. Diameter 5 cm हुनको लागि radius 2.5 हुनु पर्यो. Now we have taken a circle whose diameter is 5 cm. Is this clear up to now? Perpendicular bisector draw गरेर 5 cm को त्यसपछि एउटा सर्कल बनायो. Again,
Yes.
process to draw it is we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this radius also. यो रेडियस को पनि perpendicular bisector draw गर्नुपर्ने हो. जुन रेडियस हामीले भर्खरै 2.5 cm निकालेका छौं. त्यसको लागि फेरि यसरी तल माथि काट्नु पर्यो. तल पनि काट्नु पर्यो आर्क, सेन्टरबाट माथि पनि काट्नु पर्यो. Do same thing from both end of radius. यो radius को दुईटै end बाट त्यही काम गर. You got it? From center as well as from one end. Center र एउटा end बाट radius को perpendicular bisector बनाउँदै छौं. And now remove the compass and join it again by using your scale. Either you may use dotted line or solid line. That's your choice. Solid line लिने कि dotted line लिने त्यो तिमीहरु आफैले हो. Okay. And after drawing it, take your compass and get measurement from this new midpoint. भर्खरै निकालेको जुन रेडियस को midpoint छ त्यहाँदेखि यहाँ माथिसम्मको आर्क लिनु पर्यो. Look at this one carefully. कहाँदेखि कहाँसम्मको आर्क लियो यो ध्यान दिनु पर्यो है. So I'll repeat this process again for you. So just look at the process carefully. If not understand, I'll repeat it again for you. यो midpoint देखि radius को midpoint देखि माथि जुन हामीले सुरुमा perpendicular line ड्रा गरेका थियौं त्यहाँसम्मको एउटा आर्क लियौं and cut this arc to this side. यो जुन सुरुको diameter line थियो यसलाई यतातिर यसरी काट्देऊ. Got it? कति radius arc लियौं यहाँ माथिसम्मको midpoint of radius देखि माथि सुरुमा ड्रा गरेको perpendicular line सम्मको आर्क लिएर हामीले left side तिर काट्यौं. And after cutting it, measure the length of arc in your compass from this point. अहिले भर्खर बनेको point देखि यहाँसम्मको आर्क लिनु पर्यो. जहाँसम्मको आर्क एकछिन अगाडि हामीले राइट साइड तिरबाट लिए थियौं. And fix it. यसलाई फिक्स गरेर अब सर्कलमा हामीले ड्रा गर्न सुरु गर्नु पर्यो. यो पोइन्टलाई स्टार्टिङ पोइन्टमा हालेर from the top most point by taking it as starting point, cut one arc. This is second arc. Okay, this one is the third arc. Similarly, fifth you can draw, fourth you can draw from here. Fourth ला यहाँबाट draw गर्दा हुन्छ from topmost point. त्यहाँबाट यता draw गर. So we get the 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now join these regularly. Here like clearly join गर.
sir.
Join these regularly. Sorry, not here. You have to join these points. इसरी join गर्नु पर्ने हो. And a pentagon is completed. A pentagon is constructed here inside the circle. 5 sides are there. You may count the 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 sides.